Welcome to Planet Earth Episode 3, which is directed by Robert LVL. Human beings venture into the highest parts of a planet at their peril. Some might think that by climbing a great mountain, they have somehow conquered it, but we can only be visitors here. This is a frozen, alien world. Mountains. This is the other extreme. I repeat it, this is the other extreme. One of the lowest, hottest places on Earth. It's over 100 meters below the level of the sea. But here, a mountain isn't just station. Pools of sulfuric acid are indications that deep underground there are titanic stirrings. This is the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, lying within a colossal rent in the Earth's surface, where giant land masses are pulling away from one another. Lava rises to the surface through this crack in the crust, creating a chain of young volcanoes. This one, this one is Erta Ale, which is today is the longest continually erupting volcano on the planet, a lake of lava that has been molten for over 100 years.
Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
That's what even the Avengers says that we're gonna save the Earth.
अगर रत्ती भर भी उम्मीद है तो
Till
कसम
our life
हर
is like
दोस्त
whatever it takes,
हर
we will
शहीद
fight
की
for our lives.
हम लड़ेंगे
लड़ेंगे
We will fight whatever it
आखिरी
beings.
सांस तक
We save our planet Earth.
आखिरी सांस तक
Thank you for watching this episode.
आखिरी सांस तक
आखिरी सांस तक